So students, in this question it is asked that a solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% W by W. W by W means weight by weight. Okay, so W by W means weight of the substance upon total weight of the solution. Okay, then the density of the solution is given as 1.20 gram per milliliter. Okay, and you have to calculate its molality. Okay, this time you have to calculate molality. Okay, so mass of the glucose is 10 grams and moles of the glucose is 180 10 upon 180, which is equal to 0.0556. This 180 number we have got from the molar, that this 180 is the molar mass of glucose. Okay, here I have written it also that it is the molar mass of glucose. Okay, so this is the molar mass of the glucose. You had studied earlier that moles of a substance is equal to mass over molar mass. So mass is 10 and the molar mass is 180, and when you will solve it you will get this number, that is 0.0556 moles. Okay, so mass of water is given 90 grams. How 90 grams? As I told you earlier in the earlier video, that if in any question it is written as 10%, so 10% is always calculated in 100%. Okay, whenever we calculate a percentage, it is calculated in 100. When we take the total number of the solution, total amount of substance solution is 100, and so according to it we will left then according to it the mass of water will be 90 gram, as the 10 gram will be glucose, so 90 gram will be left, that is 100 minus 10 will be 90. So this is how we get the mass of the water. Okay, so therefore the molality is equal to moles of glucose, okay, which is this number. Okay, moles of glucose upon mass of water, and this number, into 1000 we have taken here because this is given in grams. Okay, and molality is basically mass of moles of substance upon mass of the solvent into kg, solvent in kg. Okay, molality is basically moles of substance upon mass of the solvent in kg. Okay, so convert it into kg, we are multiplying it with 1000. Okay, so 0.0556 upon 90 into 1000, we get 0.618, and this small m is the representation of molality. Okay, so this is how this is the required answer for this question. This is how you will calculate the molality.